Oh yeah, I got a big one over here. I know. And I just go on it, so that must be the biggest Lego one. I don't know.
Noah, Tubby.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
It's from.
Singapore.
Wait, no. Ruffle.
Rubble.
I don't even know who this is.
Spell it.
Rudole.
Rudolph.
Rudolph. This is from Rudolph also.
Rudolph can make
You want to open that one?
stuff.
I'll open it for everything.
Okay, so
Oh,
the
this is
reindeers
so
are
exciting.
making.
Come on, get that person open it.
I'll open it. A pillow.
Zipper. It's a pillow. It's a beautiful giant pillow. Oh my!
A new collar burger.
This is amazing. That is so cute. Zipper.
Whoa!
Shepherd's
cool.
pillow.
What?
Oh.
I know. Look at this. Look at this for Ebony.
My turn. No, wait, it's our turn. I'll let this open a present.
Okay. Yeah, this is for me.
I didn't know you asked for that much stuff.
I didn't. I don't know what they are.
No, me either. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I like the size of it. Like that.
Oh my gosh!
What is
The
it?
new Omelette movie books.
Ah! Cool!
No way.
I'm opening this one.
Yeah, this is the second one. Yeah, this is the second one with the house.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
No wonder.
It's so amazing.
That look. Okay, I just looking. Okay.
They can make the omelet.
What is that?
Oh, that's very cool.
Tin can robot.
Ah!
Oh,
Okay.
you can turn a can. You can turn a can into a robot. You can build it.
Whoa. Wait, does it move?
Daddy,
Does
this
it
is for
talk?
Guys, we got presents for you.
I'll get this
We're
one to
gonna
mommy.
watch you guys.
No, I need to do it.